Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you haven't noticed already, I got a new microphone and I'm so excited! I can scream. Anyways, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be drawing. If it isn't obvious by the title of this video, I'm going to show my coloring process digitally using the Ugee ut3 tablet. This is not sponsored. The Ugee team actually reached out to me and I did do a review video if you want to check that out. But today we're just going to be drawing with the tablet and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So for this drawing, I found this lovely lady off of Pinterest. I don't know who she is, but I really loved her dress and her expression on her face. So I did a quick sketch time lapse on like a short video. You can see that video if you'd like, but today we're just going to be focused on the coloring. Just focusing on the color. I feel like recently I've been enjoying drawing portraits a lot. Like I find more fulfillment in drawing portraits recently, which seems a little bit weird to me because when I was younger I would just draw cartoons and anime and all that type of stuff. And I would find myself drawing in my style. I feel like I still do represent my style with drawing these portraits, but you know that feeling when you draw and you're like, yes, I did that. Like, I'm so proud of this. That's how I've been feeling recently when drawing people, so that's what I've been doing. I know in my recent shorts, I've been drawing more like cartoony stuff and like outfits. But with those types of drawings, I'm not able to really like bring out the details in the face. Like, it's just like so simple. But with drawing portraits, I can really focus on like the nose and the eyes and like the shading on the face. Also, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm kind of just blocking in the colors. I know it's like kind of ugly right now, but you gotta trust the process. If you're wondering why I've been posting recently, or if you're new here, my name's Esmeralda, but I go by Esme_Life on social media. I've been posting a lot more recently because one, I have the time and I'm done with finals, but two, because I've just been feeling really inspired lately. And I want to get into the flow of like talking in my videos again because I used to love doing it, but I got self-conscious because I didn't have a microphone and my audio sounded terrible. But now I have a microphone, so I want to record more videos like this. I think I'm going to change the background color because it's boring. I forgot I made a matcha and I didn't even finish it. I know this looks super ugly, but you gotta trust the process. Now that I softened everything, I'm just gonna go over it and trying to like remove the scribbles and just soften the values. If that makes sense. If not, just watch what I'm gonna do and then you're gonna see, oh, that's what she was talking about. Yes, it takes a while because when it comes to sketching and adding color, I scribble a lot. And I don't go on multiple layers. I'm on one layer the entire time, so. If you draw different than me, I know everyone has like a different digital drawing process. Please let me know in the comments. I'd love to learn from you guys or just hear how you guys draw. If you don't believe that I usually use one layer, this is just layer 5. Yeah. No wonder something looked off. This is her finger, not her hair. It's like something's missing. It was her finger. Alright, makes sense. Okay, I feel like we're getting somewhere now. I feel like I always start with the skin first because it's the most intimidating. It's not like scary for me, but if I know if I get like the skin done or most of it done, I can do the hair, and then little by little everything starts coming together. Now that I have all the colors in, I'm just trying to clean up any like scribbles, or like here, for example, the hand is supposed to be bending right here, and obviously it doesn't look like it is, so I'm just cleaning up any edges or things I want to fix to make it look a little bit nicer and neater. So basically, I'm trying to not make it look like a sketch anymore. Oh my gosh, adding the nails is like the icing on top. It's literally perfect. That's something else I never used to draw. Like years ago, especially in high school, I was like, nails? Who needs nails? But literally, we all have hands and we all have nails. So it's like, why not draw them? Because it's like, if you're drawing a foot and you don't put the toenail, it's like, that's not a foot. I mean, it looks like one, but like, where are the nails? In college, I used to appreciate drawing people more, especially during figure drawing class. But during like high school, middle school, I just wanted to draw cartoons. Not really like portraiture or like focusing on anatomy, but now I do, and I actually really enjoy it. I feel like in this day and age of like social media, everyone wants success really quick, and that includes art and like showing art processes. And I do get frustrated posting short content because I spend so much time on a drawing and I get to only show like 20 seconds of something, when in reality, like, art takes time. Like, this takes time. So what I've been doing to kind of like cope with that, I have actually been trying to post longer content and just trying to find the audience that I want instead of following the trends or the algorithm. Cause like I am not even done with this. You know how much time I've spent on this already? I have spent 12 hours already on this and I'm not even done. So imagine all the other artists out there that feel the exact same way. But when it comes to posting art, I'm not worried about trends or what everyone wants to see, which is like creating something super fast. I'm focusing on authenticity. How long did it actually take me? And if I want to make a long video, I'll post it. And I have actually been more happy about creating art because of the way that I post. Anyway, that's another ramble. So I'm still here drawing, but the reason why I'm trying not to move is because Remy's here. And I need to continue recording, but I can't get up. Okay, I have relocated Remmy, and now we can continue. We can continue. I had to take a break in between and charge the pen. And I think this is the second time in all history I have ever needed to charge this pen. And I've had this tablet for like over a month already. I don't know. I just got this tablet and I'm just like, wow, so amazing. I'm adding the final details, like outlining where I want like the dress to pop. And I've added like these cute highlights in between the ribbons, and it's so beautiful. I don't know what it is, it just makes it pop. Yeah, I'm not done. I think I'm done, and then I'm just like, no, I'm not done. Stuff. Okay, it's done. We're not touching it anymore. This is the final. Okay, I lied. After another day of working on it, I decided to add more shading to her face and bring out more highlights and more shadows because she looked really flat when I finished her last time. But now I'm actually finished and she looks really nice. I'm gonna put the full image at the end of the drawing so you can really see all the details. But thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe and comment, and I will see you all in my next video. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.